Welcome back, everybody. The instrument we are working with today is the spectrafluorometer. Similar to the UV vis because we're using cuvettes, however this is a different type of cuvette. So you want to make sure when you open the cuvette drawer that you grab the cuvettes labeled fluorometer. If you do not see them, please find a lab assistant or instructor so we can hunt them down for you, because it's very, very important that you do not interchange UV vis cuvettes with fluorometer cuvettes. They are completely different because the instruments perform different applications. So we are going to load our sample into the fluorometer. So the first thing we're going to do is pull out one of our cuvettes. We want to fill it 3/4 of the way full with our tonic water solution. This is our sample, our unknown that we're going to be running. So we want to fill it 3/4 of the way full. Again, make sure that we do not have any air bubbles in our cuvette. It's very important. It will interfere with the light beam as the instrument is scanning. Okay, now we're ready to load our sample. So we're going to flip down the front panel on the spectrafluorometer, and then we are going to pull out the drawer to be able to load our cuvette in. Now we want to make sure before we do this that our shutter is off. You will know the shutter is on if you see this purple light. So we know the shutter is off because we don't see a light. So you're going to take your cuvette, wipe it off with a Kim wipe, and go ahead and place it in the cell. Because it's clear on all sides, it does not matter which direction you put it in as long as you don't dump it over and pour all the liquid out. Go ahead and push the drawer back in, and then you want to close your sample door. Take off your gloves and turn on the shutter. And then you are ready to run your sample. Here's what it'll look like if the shutter is on. So it may be difficult to see on the video, but you now see a bright light in the sample door. If you see that, you know the shutter's on, so please turn it off. And then when you are ready to run your sample, turn the shutter back on. Have fun and good luck.